Kalagoda festival is organized every year for 9 days in a month of Feb. It's basically held in south of Mumbai and it's held and organized by Kalagoda Association. It was founded on October 1998 and they have started to organize this festival since 1999 and the chairperson since then is Brenda Miller. Kalagoda means black horse. Now it got its name or origin from King Edward VII statue, which was gifted to him by Albert Abdullah David Sassoon. There is also an David Sassoon library across the street, but after the independence, the position of the statue was later moved to Baikal Zoo, so that the dominance of the statue in the prime location of newly independent India fades. In 2007, the KGA gifted the South Mumbai with just the black horse as a symbol of Kala Ghoda festival. The motto of KGA is maintaining and preserving the heritage and art district of South Mumbai. So the festival has various sections like visual arts, music and dance, theatre and cinema workshops, literature, urban design and architecture. So when you come here, you can see many independent artists have put up their art for sale and get an amazing spot of importance to showcase their skills. This is Namrata Kedia's shop, where she has made up cups and glass artifacts with pure gold designs on them. I loved it and bought few for my family. If you need to buy or order some, there's the information. You can give her a call. Since everyone from the city actually comes to visit this event, there is going to be a huge queue. So make sure when you're visiting this event, you have ample of time on your hand and you come in advance so that you have to wait in queue for at least an hour. Well, there are two different queues for men and women. So if you're a couple, get ready to be separated for the queue. Also, once you enter the festival, most of the vendors won't accept credit cards. So try to keep ample of cash in your pockets so that you don't have to exit the festival. And while coming back, you have to get back into the queue and then enter the venue. So if you're in Mumbai, if you stay nearby or if it's possible for you to visit, make sure take out some time and visit at least once in those 9 days of the event.